Hello everyone, it's dessert time and this time it's mango pizza. Yes, you heard me right. It is mango pizza. It is super easy to make and very delicious. Believe me, hang on to this video and see what do I do. So first we're going to take a ripe mango. You can use Alfonso. Over here I am using Langda Aam along with almonds and other garnishing items. We will now take the dark chocolate slice and microwave it for 10 to 15 minutes with occasional stirring. Then we will take out the pizza. You can either grill it if you want it well cooked, or else you can take it as it is and spread the dark chocolate very well evenly all over the pizza like I have done here, or else you can also dip it in the chocolate mix like this and take it out with a wholesome pizza filled with chocolate on both the sides. And now we will take the mangoes, sliced and neatly cut, all over the pizza as much as you want. The more you love mangoes, the more mangoes you can put. And then we will garnish it with the almonds and pistas and these silver balls. And what we are going to do next is freeze it in the freezer for around 2 to 4 hours depending on your choice. And now we are going to take it out and serve it super chilled filled with these goodies on top. This is basically a very healthy snack if you just avoid the pizza bread beneath it. Otherwise, it's really delicious, very super hit with the kids and with your guests in the summer months, in the monsoon months. If any of your guests is coming, you can definitely prepare this dessert and shock them and surprise them. And then later on, let me know how did you like this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time super soon. Thank you.